Hi, my name is Michael Schlotterbeck. I'm a principal in Deloitte's Smart Manufacturing practice and have over 20 years experience leading industrial products clients through large-scale transformations. In the marketplace today, we are seeing three key themes. One, clients addressing persistent talent obstacles. Two, digitization of supply chains. And three, automation of production operations. In 2023, in their Future of Jobs report, the World Economic Forum estimated that 40% of skills in manufacturing will evolve over the next 5 years. The top three most critical skills that we are seeing are leadership skills, digital skills, and soft skills, such as problem solving and creativity. From an applicant gap perspective, what we're seeing is fewer people are applying to manufacturing jobs. 40% of Gen Z and millennials responded to a Deloitte survey and said that they have turned down jobs if that particular company or job did not match their personal values. We're seeing companies start to invest in things like robotics and automation, dynamic scheduling and dynamic routing of materials, and digital twins. I try very hard not to mention everybody's favorite buzzword, but of course people are making massive investments in AI, whether it's improving their production operations, helping make their supply chains more efficient, helping replicate tasks that are tedious and time-consuming. From a skills gap perspective, with all of the new requirements and the changing jobs, employers are having to find new types of talent. One, manufacturers are starting to offer more flexible work schedules. Two, they're offering new benefits such as childcare or reliable transportation. And third, they are formalizing these upskilling and skills development programs. For a more long-term strategy, we're seeing manufacturers build ecosystems for talent. On the shorter term, we're seeing companies start to invest in their ability to track and upskill current talent sets.